No man is free, who is not master of himself. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. Man is not worried by real problems so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it, that matters. The essence of philosophy is that a man should live so that his happiness depends as little as possible from external causes. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. People are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. Don't explain your philosophy. Embody it. When you are offended at any man's fault, turn to yourself and study your own failings. Then, you will forget your anger. First say to yourself what you would be, and then, do what you have to do. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. Any person capable of angering you becomes your master. He can anger you only when you permit yourself to be disturbed by him. If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. You are a little soul, carrying around a corpse. It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. Circumstances don't make the man, they only reveal him to himself. Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens. Let silence be your general rule, or say only what is necessary, and in few words. Nature hath given men one tongue, but 2 ears, that we may hear from others twice as much as we speak. First learn the meaning of what you say, and then speak. To accuse others for one's own misfortune is a sign of want of education. To accuse oneself shows that one's education has begun. To accuse neither oneself nor others shows that one's education is complete. In prosperity, it is very easy to find a friend, but in adversity, it is the most difficult of all things. All religions must be tolerated. For every man must get to heaven in his own way. Whenever you are angry, be assured that it is not only a present evil, but that you have increased a habit. It is better to die of hunger having lived without grief and fear, than to live with a troubled spirit, amid abundance. Be careful to leave your sons well instructed rather than rich, for the hopes of the instructed are better than the wealth of the ignorant. It is the nature of the wise to resist pleasures, but the foolish to be a slave to them. Do not tie a ship to a single anchor, nor life to a single hope. It is difficulties that show what men are. If thy brother wrongs thee, remember not so much his wrongdoing, but more than ever, that he is thy brother. If one oversteps the bounds of moderation, the greatest pleasures cease to please. The flourishing life cannot be achieved until we moderate our desires, and see how superficial and fleeting they are. The world turns aside to let any man pass, who knows where he is going.